This is basically a 200 sales catted downpipe. Okay, this car has actually done a Veleno titanium catback exhaust with us previously, and the owner came back to us and said he wanted something more than just sound. So today we're bringing this car to our tuning partner DSG Motorsport to get a new Veleno Performance Catted Downpipe, a drop-in filter, as well as a stage 2 tuning. So come on, let's go. Okay, so guys, now we arrive at DSG Motorsport and let's look what we have got here. So as we said, these are the Veleno Performance Catted Downpipe that we have ordered for the customers. Of course, we have two here because this is a 2.9 twin turbo, and yeah, this is basically a 200 sales catted downpipe. And of course, we're gonna install the drop-in filter as well, BMC. So this time, because the owner is striving for more performance upgrade, we got him the downpipes and also the BMC filter. These are the basic hardware to acquire until a stage 2 tuning. For downpipes and tuning, we require customer to leave their cars for at least 1 to 2 days, because especially for the engine parts, it's very hot, so it takes time to cool down and for them to get on their works. Okay guys, so now we just finished the tuning and dyno, and here's the result. If you want to see more of our modifications video, make sure you subscribe, like and share our videos. Stay tuned until next episode.